Welcome one and all. In the last video we saw how to print these two English statements, these hello I am Abby and hello world, in Dart programming language. There is one trick which I introduced in the last video and haven't explained about, is this double inverted commas. Okay, if you we can write the same thing with single inverted commas. Let me show you. Here a single inverted and here too. Okay, and if I run, the output would be the same, no difference. But if I did the same in this statement, suppose I put a single inverted comma here and a single inverted comma here. Okay, now what happened is this comma was opened here and closed here, and after that M space Abby was not recognized by the compiler. The Dartpad is smart enough to compile, like to tell what compilation errors could occur beforehand. So this M Abby is not readable by compiler. It doesn't understand, it can't understand what it is, and there's no sense of a opening but without a closing inverted commas. There is no closing inverted comma for this inverted comma. We know that we had written this inverted comma for the sake of I am, for the sake of English literature I am. Okay, but computer don't know that. That's why we have to always include everything inside double inverted commas. Okay, now this error will go if I again put it in the previous step, and if I hit run again, you will see the same output. After that we have something called as comments. Now what are comments? In the due course of time we will learn how to code in detail and how to code real life problems, real world situations. So for that the code becomes too vast, and if we gave our code to any other developer, any other coder, any other programmer, there might be a possibility that he can't understand our code in the very first go. So we have to put some comments in between. Okay, some comments in between to tell what this piece of code do. Now to write a comment you have a syntax of double slash, forward slash, and whatever written after it, like whatever I write after it, is not recognized by compiler. It simply ignores it. Okay, that's the meaning of a comment. Now why is there such a condition that after this everything is ignored, and why Dart has this feature? So the answer is, as I explained earlier, if we give our code to any other programmer, now this is a very simple two-liner code, but as time passes we learn more and more, and our code's size increases. So we don't exactly know what the other person might exactly not know, or even we, after revisiting our code after a long time, might not know that what do this piece of code do, and we are not like we don't have so much of time to again recognize each code line by line. So we add comments. Now to add comments I have a syntax of double inverted commas, sorry, not double inverted commas, pardon, double forward slash, and after that whatever we write is a comment. Okay, this is a hello statement. Okay, now this is a hello world statement. Now this makes something sense, right? What exactly is this? This is a hello world statement. What is this? This is a hello statement, right? So like this we can use single line comments. These are single line comments. Now if we want to write very like multiple lines of comments, let's say I have to write multiple lines of comment at the very beginning, then what I will do is I will simply create this /* and */ and include whatever I have to write. Okay, whatever I have to write, let's say this is my first line comment, and then I have an enter, and then second line, and then second line. All these lines from this / to this / are ignored by compiler. Okay, it will not read this as code, it will simply ignore it. So these are multiple line codes. Okay, sorry, comments. These are multiple line comments, and to write a single line comment you just have to write /. That's it for this video.